Welcome to Raisam's kitchen. Today I will be making Bele Holige, which is also known as Puran Poli. So there are several Holige varieties and this is one of the popular and traditional. So this Holige is made using chana dal and jaggery. Let us start making. Let us check out the ingredients. Let us start making the dough. So here I am adding 1 cup of maida, all-purpose flour, little bit of oil, pinch of salt, turmeric. I like adding turmeric to my dough. You can skip if you don't want. So mix all well and now add water accordingly, little by little, and start making a dough. The dough shouldn't be too tight, so this is the right consistency. At this point you can start adding oil and knead it well. And after kneading of couple of minutes, you can add some more oil on top and allow it to rest for a few hours, for around 2 hours. So in the meantime, let us start making the filling. So let us check out the ingredients for the filling. Let us start making. So here I have 1 cup of chana dal, 1.5 cup of jaggery, ginger powder and little bit of elaichi, freshly grated coconut, and I have soaked my chana dal for 3 or 4 around 4 hours for now. And let us start making. So here I have a pot of water which is been boiling, and now I'm going to add the soaked chana dal to it and allow it to boil for few minutes. So this has been around 20 minutes for now, and now you can see the dal is cooked. So when you mash the dal, it has to get mashed, but it shouldn't be too mushy. So this is the right consistency. Now you can turn off the stove and drain out the water. After you drain the dal, use the water to make rasam. So allow the dal to cool down completely before you add it to the jar. So here my dal has been cooled down completely. I'm adding to a blender jar. I'm going to add jaggery to it. I'm adding little bit of elaichi, little bit of ginger powder, little bit of freshly grated coconut, blend all of this into a smooth paste. Don't add any water to it. Let us check. It is nice, but I want it to be a little more smooth, so I'm just going to blend for a few more minutes. Now you can see the paste is nicely smooth. So let us cook this paste for a few minutes so that it gets little more thicker. Add it to a pot and keep mixing and cook it for a few minutes. So once you see the dough is the paste is coming together, at this point you can turn off the stove and allow the dough to cool completely. Now you can see the filling is nicely cooled down, and this is how it looks. And make equal portions of the outer layer. So after few hours you can see the dough outer layer can stretch nicely. Spread it in your fingers and place the filling and start pulling the edges and seal it, as you can see in the video. So seal it properly and remove the extra outer layer and spread it with your fingers. Use oil, and you can use another plastic sheet to spread it, or you can also use a rolling pin, but I find this easier. Just spread it using your fingers as thin as possible and remove the plastic sheet and place this banana leaf on the pan. My pan is hot. Place this and gradually remove the banana leaf. You can also use parchment paper or butter paper to make this. I like making using the banana leaf. Allow it to cook for few minutes. Don't flip it immediately. So at this point, gradually flip it. Here you can see this is what we are looking at. So once the other side is cooked, slowly fold the holige and remove it on a plate. And you can enjoy this with ghee, and it is also served with mango rasayana. So please do try this recipe and enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching.